VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share on our way to 1,000 subscribers for that aforementioned one of a kind, company made, probability, right? Trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy, right? You hit that bell notification, subscribe, share the station, and infiltrate other channels, subscribers, as we promote fleece heisting and shysting of the fleece heisters and shysters, and we overt and subvert the subverters and overters. The criminal gangster cartel, the Ohio State University, brother, as we promote a state of freedom and prosperity for all and liberty for everybody at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. And you can see we've had a little bit of a dump in the coins today. I posted a video this morning, but I had something playing in the background and did not know, so it was kind of hard to hear. But you can see the Bitcoin, the fucking Bitcoin here, is testing that major lower support that we told you earlier today when we gave that early morning update. After we broke down past that $42,869 level, we're coming down to the next step down. We've hit multiple times. Not a lot of volume. Volume's been dying since the blow off top back in May. So that's no big surprise, right? As I park, give me a minute here as I ramble on. But as you can see, if you break too much farther down and you can't cut some support in the next few $100s, you could fall all the way down to that $37,000 mark. And that would be painful, and nobody wants to go there. So we're going to try to avoid that at all costs. But we're giving you what you need to know, when you need to know it, and why you need to know it, right? And that's what we do here at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, in super simple, easy ways to trade this market. Check us out at Twitter at a glance, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing Twitter at a glance. We have links in the description on how to get to that beautiful Twitter at a glance. Super simple and easy to learn. Profit at a glance, whether you be in church, at the movies, on a date, or at work. At a glance, you can stay on top of the market so you can fleece, heist, and shice the market manipulators that try to take all the fucking money from you, right? But you can see here now as we settled in, I don't want these too far down because there's a lot of bees out here. And there's people outside, but you can see as we settled in here nicely, we got that upper resistance right there, possible rejection point, and you can see it got rejected beautifully right where it should have. It's getting rejected by all the overhead moving averages, the 200, the 50, and the 100, and the green, the red, and the blue respectively. You can see we've had major support on this uptrending support right there. All right, let's get that little stupid arrow out of there. If we can't hold support here and bounce back up, maybe try to fight our way up, you're going to get rejected. And I think you got to come down here. I think everything's pointing that you got to come down there. I think that's where you're going. You can see in a 2-hour time frame in Bitcoin, we're going to stick with the main coins today. You're in I know that's not my normal tool, but I don't feel like switching it. You're in a bear pennant or a symmetrical triangle, and the targeted move out of that would be from the top to the bottom of the flag to the point of the breakout. And you see that gets you way, way down there, right, in this continuation pattern. And that would drive you down even lower in this support box, right? Could bring you all the way down to 33,269. And if you've been following Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, to all my new subscribers that we've accumulated, you know that we've been touting since we were back here with our industry exclusive purchasing tool. We've been touting since we were back there. We were going to have a big pump, and we telegraphed it. We thought it would go to 44,669. It came up almost to 52, and we showed you how it could get up there. But then we told you you'd have a big crash mid to late August into September, which we're having now, in the late September. And then through October, you would finish the crash and have a huge up and down volatile consolidation until you ended up somewhere around that 28,000 to 30,000 range by late October, and then you would have an early to mid-November crash. And when I mean crash, I mean a 35 to 50% crash in Bitcoin, right? So I would keep an eye out on that if I were you guys. This is still all in play. The players are on the table, are on the field. The table is being set. Everything's going on the way it should. And I expect a big crash. I expect this to continue crashing down and consolidate. And then I expect a big November crash, right? I don't see any way around it. You can see that big crash we're talking about. This helped telegraph the pump back there, and it's helped telegraphing a crash and this big consolidation right here. And then as we get into early November, you see a huge flush that could bring us down close to the shithouse, right? Very close to the shithouse. So we're going to keep an eye out on that. We're going to stay up to date on this. We've been telegraphing this and diagnosing, sniffing out, and detecting this for you, the beautiful subscribers at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, with what appears to be a big falling channel, right? Or a head and shoulders, you could look at it. But I think you're coming down to the bottom of this channel. If we go into the Dogecoin real quick, you can see the Dogecoin's depressed, right? You can see we're still at the bottom of this falling channel. Possible overhead resistance. We're continuing to sell off into this channel. We're trying to get supported again for the 1, 2, 3, 4 for the fifth time down here at lower support at about 19 cents. And if we fail to break that, we're coming way down. But if we can get a big bounce here, we can make a run at the upper end of this falling channel. Which is at 21 cents is the upper end of this falling channel, right, or falling wedge, right? And the lower support's been about 19, 18, 20 cents is descending. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Right now, it would appear that we're going to have to come down and retest down here. That's at about 19 cents even now. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Links are below to support the channel, right? We're working on a website, getting it all together, and we're going to have our trading alerts, our bullish and bearish indicators, in-depth technical analysis, beginners to advanced classes on how to work the chart, how to diagnose patterns out, draw the patterns out, use targeted moves, and all the good stuff that you need to know from beginners to expert classes. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing trading alerts will be on there. Vincenzo's technical analysis at a glance will be on there, where you can just look at say Bitcoin and know what your weekly or monthly forecast or what current pattern you're in. And we'll have weekly updates on those, along with the bullish or bearish indicators, and we'll all be wrapped up on there, along with technical analysis classes. That will be a running class where content will be uploaded weekly, so you can get educated, increase your financial IQ, all in one super simple, easy spot. Vincenzo's website that he's coming up with, it'll be a paid service, so you can get on all those videos, the trading alerts, the bullish or bearish indicators, and exclusive content only to members of Jabroni Killer, or what we're going to call it there. I look forward to bringing that to you in the next few weeks as I work on getting the website done and get the content started to be uploaded, so that way you guys can start visiting it and use the 7-day free promotion that I'm going to give all to my beautiful subscribers via YouTube link, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.